see the Pocket 4 is just a bit taller. Now, let's move these away and bring in the scale. The Pocket 3 is 180.1 grams. Pocket 4, it is 189.4 grams. So, it is roughly a 9-gram difference. Looking at them from the side view, the Pocket 4 actually looks slightly thinner than its predecessor. Now, holding them both together and pressing the power button at the same time, the Pocket 4 is just a hair faster, pointing to the front about half a second before the 3. The physical feel of the 4 is definitely improved. The joystick sits a bit taller and further out, which my personal preference. It feels much smoother and requires less pressure to move around. Plus, we finally have these dedicated physical zoom and custom buttons, which is a huge plus. Now for the gear check. I have tested my full kit of 7 accessories from the Pocket 3, and I am happy to report that almost every single one is backward compatible. Whether it is the battery handle or the magnetic mounting case, they snap on and work perfectly. This is a massive relief for any creator on a budget. It means you do not have to repurchase all those expensive and useful accessories you already invested in for the 3. You are essentially saving hundreds of dollars here because your existing kit just works. It is the same fit and the same function, no need to rebuy a single thing. There is only one exception. This protective cover does not quite fit. Hardware-wise, it is a solid refinement, but the real test is the image quality. I will be testing both the Pocket 3 and the Pocket 4 side by side, shooting in various indoor and outdoor environments to see the actual difference. I will get that comparison video out as soon as possible, so stay tuned.